Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R6525. In this video we're going to specifically show you how to update your BIOS. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R6525. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in. This video is going to be specifically dedicated to how to update the BIOS on your 6525 server. So all you're going to need to do this is a USB. And what we're going to do in this video as a whole is we are going to go to Dell's website and we are going to show you how to download the EFI file. Then we're going to show you how to create a bootable USB with a program called Rufus. And then we're going to essentially show you how to just take that and put it onto the bootable USB. And then we're going to take the bootable USB, pop it into the server, and show you step-by-step instructions on how to actually update the BIOS of your 6525. All right, one thing I do want to note before we do all this is not actually the way I recommend updating your BIOS. This is a good way to do it if you don't have an operating system. The way that I recommend doing it will be 2 videos from now in this series. It's called our mass updates videos. That's going to update your BIOS, your onboard diagnostics, your firmware, plus a ton of other stuff. So personally, I recommend going with the mass updates, but if you just need a quick and easy way to bang this out, this is how you can do it. All right, so what we're going to do now is show you how to update the BIOS step-by-step instructions for your 15th gen server. So the way we're going to do it is if you do not have an operating system, this is just a quick and easy way to update your BIOS, assuming that you don't have a hard drive or maybe you don't have a network connection. This will only require a USB thumb drive and a computer that does have internet access. All right, so now we're going to download the BIOS EFI file. So in order to do this, we are going to head over to Dell.com and we're going to hover over the Support tab and click Support Home from the drop-down menu. Now we're going to scroll down to identify your product or search support. Type in the model of your server and select the one with PowerEdge in front. Now we're going to head over to the Drivers and Downloads tab. Under the drop-down for operating system, we are going to select Not Applicable. Under the drop-down for category, we're going to select BIOS. The download button for the BIOS update will be for an EXE file, which is only going to run in Windows. What we want is an EFI file, so what we need to do is click the drop-down arrow that's to the right of the download button. Then we're going to navigate to Other Formats and download the EFI file. Now what we need to do is move the EFI file to a USB. All right, so now we need to create a bootable USB. We are going to use a program called Rufus. So we just go into Google or to a web browser in general and search Rufus, download the program, and run it once it is downloaded. Plug the USB into the computer that you downloaded Rufus on, and under the device in Rufus, make sure the USB drive is selected. If you only have one USB drive plugged into your machine, it will be selected by default. Leave everything under the default settings, then click the select button and choose the EFI file that we downloaded in the previous steps. Click Start to begin creating the installation USB drive. All right, now that we have our EFI file downloaded onto our USB, we just need to pop the USB into our server and boot your server back up. During the post, we want to hit F11 and enter the boot manager. Select System Utilities in the boot manager. Select BIOS Update File Explorer in System Utilities. Select the USB drive in the BIOS Update File Explorer. Now you're going to actually see the EFI file. You're going to want to select the EFI file to start the BIOS update. So this is temporarily going to check the BIOS image. This may take a few minutes to do, so we like to fast forward through this part of the video not to waste anyone's time. But what will pop up is the next screen will show you that the BIOS update has started, and when it starts, it's going to show you your current BIOS version, and it's going to show you the BIOS version that you are upgrading or updating to. You're you're going to want to select Continue BIOS Update in order to proceed. Now do note that your system may take a few minutes before it allows you the opportunity to select the Continue button. Do not worry, this delay is normal. It's just part of the process. Your system is updating the BIOS, so it will take a few minutes in the background for everything to get done. Well, hey, if you found this video helpful, do us a favor, click that like and smash that subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, we sell new and we sell used, and we would love the opportunity to earn your data center or your home labs business. Please email us at sales@cloudninja.com. That's sales@cloudninja.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care.